Back with another video showing you how I make a remix. Quick preview.
Stressed out, but you're here now, and you're turning me on. I wanna feel a different kind of tension. Yeah, you guessed it, the kind that's fine. I hate it when you leave me unattended, cause I miss you, and I need your love. When my mind is running wild, could you help me slow it down? Put my mind at ease. Pretty please, I need your hands on me.
Yeah, let's get right into it. First thing to do, get nice vocals from YouTube, tweak it a little bit. First thing I do, add a de-esser, which takes down the SS, exactly what it does. Bit of compression straight after, and then some EQing in the harshness of that you're getting in the vocal at the top end. See how that sounds.
Somewhere in the middle, I think I lied a little.
As you can see, I got a little bit of dynamic EQ for that harsh area. But yeah, just puts in the middle in front of you and then also takes away the harshness of it. Then once we've done that, I can start adding the cool effects like reverb and delay. So first the reverb.
Somewhere in the middle,
And then a delay.
Somewhere in the middle, I think I lied a little.
A cool trick I like to do to make sure the delay's not all messy on the mix is add a peak controller to the main vocal. So you get this shape.
Somewhere in the middle,
And essentially assign that controller to the delay, turning it on and off over here. Doing is just allowing the delay to pop through when the vocal is actually not singing. So you don't get like a big confusion of main vocal and delay at the same time. It's just main vocal comes away and then delay gets bigger. So that's exactly what that is doing. Then I added a bass, and this bass is two basses. That's the high end, and then we got the low end. On the high end, I'm taking away the low, below 120, just so that the other bass can really push through that area. And then how I processed the low bass was taking away that area that I just cut off from the other one. And then add a little bit of compression and then an imager to make sure everything everything below 120 is completely mono, because that is the number one thing that I used to do that made my mixes terrible. But not anymore. Then I put both of them through one channel. Again, some compression. I can go into detail, but there's no need. Kickstarter, all-time favorite plugin. Way too lazy to do my own sidechain. Sometimes I have to, but yep, a little bit of saturation for the high end to make sure you can hear in the phone. And then last but not least, I think these two are for automations. So yeah, that, and then I just added a kick underneath, and it's very simple. For the pre-chorus, I just added a piano on top of that, made some nice little chords. I'll show you them right now. How I processed it, took away the low end, bass was already there, and stereo widening, as well as some reverb. So yeah. Then the effects. I didn't want the main drop to come straight away. And when I say main, I mean all the elements coming in together. So I decided to make a little stripped back version for the first half of it. I changed the kick up to a little bit more punchy because it was the bass. I had some hi-hats, then impacts. Yeah. Then it's a great effect in the back, but my favorite has to be I found this loop that's chopped up, and with the drums it sounds like this. It's just a little bit of ear candy. And then for the main drop, I changed the way the bass hits. So there's a new pattern over here. I'll show you. Super simple. Added more percussions. And then the big difference is these guitars. Let me show you how I treated them. First of all, got rid of interfering with the bass. Didn't really need that. Saturation, make sure it punches through the phone because it was made for TikTok. Then made it wider. Again, Kickstarter, sidechain. Then bit crush, just more character on the top end. Then grabbed the same one, but just pitched it up an octave. I put in the same bass, and yeah. I added a little bit of delay to it. If we solo that, can we solo that? Yes, we can. All over the place. Very nice. Send that to the reverb. And then together. So yeah, let's play the whole thing.
Somewhere in the middle, I think I lied a little. I said if we took it there, I wasn't gonna change, but that went out the window. Yeah. I know that I seem a little stressed out, but you're here now and you're turning me on. I wanna feel a different kind of tension. Yeah, you guessed it, the kind that's fine. I hate it when you leave me unattended, 'cause I miss you and I need your love. But my mind is running wild, could you help me slow it down? Put my mind at ease. Pretty please, I need your hands on me. Sweet relief, pretty please. I know that I seem a little stressed out, but you're here now and you're turning me on. I wanna feel a different kind of tension. Yeah, you guessed it, the kind that's fine. Hate it when you leave me unattended, 'cause I miss you and I need your love. But my mind is running wild, could you help me slow it down? Put my mind at ease.
Woo. Hope you liked it. I'm doing a ton of these videos on TikTok. I'm not breaking them down, but I'm just showing you the whole song there. They're a lot of fun to film. Go check those out because I really think you might like them. So see you on the next one.